Hi everyone, I'm Karen from Easy Access English, and today I'm going to be talking to you about comparisons. So, what are comparisons? Comparisons are a way of looking at two things to see how they are the same or how they are different. For example, when you play with your toys, you might notice that one toy is bigger than the other, or one might be a different color. These are comparisons. Imagine you have two yummy fruits, maybe like an apple or a banana. When you compare them, you might notice that the apple is red while the banana is yellow. That's one way that they are different. You might also notice that both the apple and banana are fruits that you can eat, so that's something that they have in common. Comparing helps us to understand what makes things different and how they relate to each other. Comparing can be a fun way to learn new things and to discover interesting facts about the things that are around us. You can compare all sorts of things, like animals, colors, shapes, and even your friends' toys. It's a way to use your brain and explore and understand the world around you. So, thank you for listening to my video. I hope you enjoy our lesson today on shapes and comparisons. Bye!